Today I'm going to show you how to take this apart and remove the old extruder to upgrade it to a hardened steel extruder gear assembly. To remove this, we need to loosen up this small screw to allow the blade cutter to drop, and that will expose the third screw that you'll remove in addition to this one and this one. Carefully remove the Hall sensor cable and these two other cables. First thing we're going to do is almost remove this screw, just relieve the pressure on it. We see this spring on the inside, and as we tighten that screw, it applies more pressure to that extruder arm. Next, we will remove these 4 screws to remove the casing. We'll then remove it. Drop the screws out. Make sure you have 4. If this did not come off with this, then you'll have to remove it from this assembly by pushing that pin out. Then we'll remove this part, and we'll remove this and replace it with these 2 new. In the new pack, you'll see 2 new bearings. One will go on the inside of that casing that we removed, and the second one will replace this one right there. Next, you can unscrew this a little bit more so this becomes loose. That should drop out. Try to keep this spring in there, and here you can verify there's no other visual damage or debris. Then we can take our new hardened extruder, pop it right on there. Once you have these 2 bearings replaced, you can place this hardened extruder gear inside of that bearing, and then we'll bring this and plop it back on top. Put these 4 screws in. Once those 4 screws are then installed, we can come back over here to this tension screw and tighten this back up. Then we can reconnect the hot end back to the printer, connect the cables, and we are good to go.